Okay, here's the Gaggia Anima Prestige. You turn it on first thing in the morning. Say you have your cup under there. You have to wait for it to warm up. Which is fine. That's expected. But then there you go. You get some water in your what you want to be a dark espresso. So you have to dump that out. Then, say you have ground coffee, design flaw. You have to use two hands to, first to keep the lid up, and then to put your espresso in from the supplied spoon that they give you. Now that's after I've put my own ground coffee in the bypass hopper. As you can see, it's not easy getting all of it in that small hole there. Okay, so now you press the button because you're using the bypass, and then let's say you want your own sized espresso. I want it a little longer, so I press the second button down and watch what happens. Now mind you, you want a nice dark, nothing but espresso. Watch what I have to do, or watch what comes out first thing. A little bit of water. Now, it's very little, but my old Gaggia never did that. I never got a splash of water in my espresso. I don't want water. I want pure espresso. For $995 list price, I say these design flaws and engineering flaws leave me wanting. Yeah, it makes a lovely noise.
Well, to those of you who cares about reviews, I got this machine as a gift last night. It arrived, and I was very excited. This morning I put it together. It's really nice looking machine. However, last night I was able to brew a cup of coffee, and this morning it shows that the door is open. So basically Nothing is blocking. It's all clear. And it's not very full. It should be all good, but it still shows that the door is open and it stopped working. And this morning when I saw that some other people posted the same issue and in the review, unfortunately it was too late at that point, but still it shows the door is open. I believe the issue is with the sensor in the door area, or here where the coffee goes. So unfortunately I was very disappointed, because basically this was a Christmas gift from my son, and now I cannot even really enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. And definitely I will not buy it again, that's for sure, because it's not even worth it to wait and all that and then have something like this happening. Thank you, and hopefully this will help you to make the right choice. And as I said, I didn't see the review till this morning.